Hi loves, welcome once again to another tutorial. It's been a while. So as the title says, today's tutorial is just something simple, just going to show you how to make a chunky bag handle. So without much being said, let's get to it. The thread I'm using is a 0.6 fishing line. So this is how we're going to do it, just like we're going to make a bag, a 4 bead flower. That's the pattern we are using. So as usual, you start with your 4 bead flower, 3 in, and then you use one to crisscross. Recently I've learned a pattern that helps makes your work stable, so I tend to use that instead of the crisscross pattern. But the purpose of this tutorial, I've just used more of the crisscross pattern because that is what we are all used to. But I'll make a tutorial showing how to do the other process that helps you make your work stable and then very firm. So stick around, guys. What have you guys been up to? I'd like to know. I've actually been away for a very long time, and I'm sorry for that, but I'm back now, so we'll get to learn lots of things, and then we're going to make the channel grow together. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please remember to. If you have, I appreciate that a lot. As usual, I really don't know what to say. I just tend to show. So let's see if watching alone will just help. So this is what I did. I'm going to do the rest off camera just for time's sake, but we're going to do that until we get to 22. So I'm going to add one more to make it 22, and then we're going to turn our work. Like I said, we're just going to be making it like we're making a bag, like same process, right? So to get our work to turn, you just have to put all the beads in one thread and use the other one to crisscross. That's all. Now we've gotten our work to turn, but we still want it to turn sideways because we're not going up. So you use the thread outside, you put 3 beads in the thread that is outside like this, and then we're going to use the other one to crisscross like that. See, now our work is turned. See, so instead of going upways, now we're going sideways. So put the inner thread to the bead closest to it up like this, and then you put your 2 beads in the outer thread like this. So see what I did there? That's the work that's a pattern that makes my work very firm. I'll make an in-depth tutorial on how to do that one. I think I used that same pattern in my round bead bag. Yeah, I used the same pattern to make that bead bag. It makes your work very firm, especially when you are using slippery beads like pearls. And this is actually the first time I'm using pearls to make something bag related, right? This handle is actually for a bag, which I'll be uploading very soon within the week. We want 3 rows so I'm just adding 1 row like this. So I'm going to turn it again. So I'm going to bead same process all the way to the end, and that's all it takes, guys. That's all. That's how you make a chunky bag handle, like this. So you're just going to bead like that till the end again, and then we'll continue from there. Sorry. It's funny, whenever I make a tutorial, I have a cold. I'm prone to having common colds, so sorry about that. And sorry for the background interruptions. My siblings are home, which means noise everywhere. Okay, so beat till we get there, like this. Okay, so we have 3 rows of 25. Sorry, 22. Yes. So it's 3 rows of 22, and then you're going to fold it like this. There. Now once you fold it this way, okay, I'm not going to use this thread to join it, just so you see how it's actually done. If I use this thread, you might not get it. So as it is this way, you're going to join it like how I join my bags. You see, say I always make 2 patterns. I make one and another one of same, and then I join them. So I'm going to put 1 bead into my threads, right? And I put one side of the thread in this line, like this, first bead of that line, and then put another one, the other side of the thread, on the first bead of the other line, and then I'll use 1 bead to crisscross. So it's like joining those 2 lines together. That's what I'm doing, like I always do in all my bags. How I join them, that's how I'm going to do this. So you put this thread in the next bead up, like this, put the other side through it, the other line too, like this, and then you pick 1 bead and crisscross with it. See, like that. So that's how we're just going to be joining it to the end. This one to this line, and then the other one to the first bead of the other line, like this. Alright, and then we use 1 bead to crisscross. So guys, go ahead and do that till the very end. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do that to the very end, so go ahead and do that to the very end. Also, if you have made a suggestion of a type of tutorial you want, please bear in mind that I haven't forgotten. I just haven't had the time to come around to doing it yet, but I did promise I'll do it, so I will do it. I am really very grateful to you all for sticking around. You brought the channel this far. I know we haven't gone very far, but the progress is steady. Thank you all for watching, for sticking around, the likes, the comments. I really appreciate that. So yes, this is me just draining them till the end. I'm hoping I'm able to get a better camera and a better working space soon, so that I can optimize the videos for you. And this is my last one. Now with the last one, it's better if you don't crisscross, you just tie instead. Okay, just put the bead, the last bead, like this, and then just tie. Okay, I tie it like 2 times. You can tie like 3 or more times. Make sure you pull very hard to make sure it's like very tight, and then you pass any of the threads through the bead closest to where you just made the knot, and then pull to hide your knot. See, now my knot is hidden. I'll just pass the thread through the couple of beads closest to it, and then I can cut off my excess thread. So now I just pull my threads back and then just cut off the excess thread. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is a chunky bead handle. So this is how it is. You've seen it on bags, you've seen it on tutorials. This is how it's made. Thank you so much for watching once again. I'm really grateful. Leave a comment, a like, and then watch out for a bag that this handle was made for. It should be up within a day or 2.